Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this beautiful creative thread work, ari and mugham work designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings. We need to give the stem markings like this, and it's a free hand pattern. You can mark it as you like randomly. And here I'd be using the cardboard of 1.5 inches. This is to create the tassel flower of red color. Here I'd be using silk thread of red color and winding around 250 times. It depends upon the volume you would require. You can take up to 150 to 250. As I said before in the beginning, it depends upon the volume. And to one end I'd be tying with the thread tightly, and to another end I'll give the cut so that we'll get the opening to one side. This is how we have to tie it, and to the other side I'll be cutting. Hold firmly at the end and give the knot, placing it where you want to stitch. Here I'd be placing it and giving couple of stitches to keep it in place. These patterns are very unique and creative designer patterns which will really gives an elegant look. Even if you try this for the simple sarees with this type of designer blouse, it will really gives rich and elegant look. This is how we have to give the stitch. And now I'd be using 8 strands of zari thread. This is to overlap here and give the stitches like this. Complete zari work will be done at this end till the knot where I have given. Without any gaps we have to give the stitch. I'll be trimming off the extras to look the flower evenly. This is how the beautiful 3D tassel flower would look. And now I would be using pista green color kundan of small size to stick in this space to create the flower. And for the stem work I'd be using these golden pipes of small size. I'll be inserting 6 to 7 golden pipes at a time and giving an invisible stitches on it to secure in place. This is how the complete stem work has to be designed with the golden pipes. And to the ends I'll be using the flower rings of gold color. Inserting silver color sugar bead in the center of this flower. And this is how the stem work has to be done. And finally now I'd be using zardosi of gold color. This I trim in 1 centimeter in length. And now I'd be creating the petals with this zardosi string, just inserting in a needle all around this kundan. This is how we have to stitch the zardosi. And once this string is joined, press at that so that the petal shape will be highlighted. And this is how complete kundan work has to be elevated with the zardosi string. Now I'm almost at the end to create this beautiful zardosi string flower. And now I'll be using the sequence of blue color. This is to stitch on the zardosi string so that it will be in place. And this is how completely sequence has to be joined. And to the leftover place, I will be joining the sequence of small size in shape. So this is for the reference. I have created the flower with the extension of the stem work and the little tiny flowers. The complete blouse has been designed in this way so that we'll get the overall designing on complete blouse. This way we have to extend little by giving the stem extension work with the flowers. I hope the creation of this pattern is clear to you all, and the completed overall pattern would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it.